Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my August Create With Me Club. The Create With Me Club is a subscription that I started a couple months ago, and it's really been fun to produce kits each month for you to make projects. And so each kit contains enough for 2 of each project. This month's kit has 6 cards, and I give you the supplies cut and ready to go for 2 of each of those, so 12 projects altogether, and that includes envelopes. I'm going to flip my camera and show you. We're using the Charming Day stamp set this month with the dies. It actually was a kit that I produced a month ago, and the bundle went back order, but now it's available again. So all right, so this is the Charming Day bundle. It's a stamp set, which is a great stamp set. You know me, I love florals, but this is really a fun one. And I love the fonts with the different, or the sentiments with the different fonts. And then the dies, these are great. So this is the die set actually cut out. And as you can see, 3 of the dies cut the images from the stamp set. And then we have all these what I call standalone dies. But they're just great, and they have so much detail. I wanted you to really see the lines that are cut into there. So these dies are great because they can be used with any color cardstock, just plain, or you can actually sponge ink on them, paint them, do all kinds of techniques with the various dies. And you'll see in the cards that I did several. So this is the bundle that I'm using this month. And just so you're aware, when you get your projects from me, I'm going to show you what comes in this bundle. You will get 12 by 12 sheets of the Designer Series paper. So you get a half a pack of Designer Series paper. This paper is absolutely beautiful. The colors are just gorgeous. So you'll get a half a pack of paper, and then this is the back side. You can just see how rich that is. And like I said, they come 12 by 12. This kit will have a half a spool of this great braided trim that will come in your kit, and then a full pack of the embellishments, and these are the Charming Shimmer embellishments, so they have a lot of sparkle to them. And then this kit also will include a little ink spot of the cloud cover ink. As you know, the cloud cover ink is not available. Ink pad is not available from Stampin' Up, but I will ink up a cloud cover ink for everybody that gets the kit, and you'll use it in your projects. All right, and so then you'll get the cardstock. Let me move this out of the way. You'll get the card kits cut and ready to go to make all these cards. And so this one here uses the stamp, and I also used blends to color in, and a little bit of Wink of Stella. And this one's on Mossy Meadow cardstock. And then this one is beautiful. This is on Peacock, Pretty Peacock. And again, I used a lot of the Wink of Stella. And how I do this club, and then you can see these branches that I just cut with the Mossy Meadow cardstock. How I do this is I send out a link at the beginning of the month with the other products that you will need for your cards. So this one, as you can see, has that copper flower in there. I love that. I just love that little pop of copper. And I did a little bit of embossing, and then of course the embellishments and that braided trim. So I will send you a link, and then you can choose if you need to order some of those products to complete your cards, just like I did. And I give you free shipping on any products that you order over and above your kit. So this is that braided ribbon. I kind of pulled it apart and just use it as like a linen thread. This is one that I just absolutely adore. I used the blends to color in these leaves, and then I did this on the petal pink cardstock and then colored it with some of the blends. So pretty. And again, here's another one. So those are the cards that you will get in your kit. Some of the products that you will need to make this work is I used these 3 blends. So petal pink, I believe this is Timid Tiger, and Mossy Meadow. So those are the blends that you'll need. You'll need a Memento ink pad. Again, I used Wink of Stella on my cards. You may or may not use them. I think that's about it. There's a little bit of embossing on one of them. So if you want that piece embossed, this card here, you'll have to have the Versamark and the white powder. But I'll put that into the list so that you know. Anyway, I hope you're interested. I love Create With Me Card Club. It's a lot of fun. Plus you get the envelopes. in your kit. So you get about, it's about probably $35 worth of product in your kit, cut and ready to go, and then I pop it in the mail to you. You get PDFs, and you'll also get videos of me making the projects and walking you right through what you need to do. So I'll put the link down in the description below if you want to sign up for the monthly subscription, or if you just want to do a trial basis, try it for 1 month, you can just go ahead and email me and I will send you a link to sign up for the 1 month trial. All right, take care and have a great day. Bye.